Master the art of summarizing main ideas. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial strategy for improving your reading comprehension, summarizing main ideas. This skill is part of the active reading process, and we're specifically focusing on it as an after reading question you can use to better understand and retain information from your reading. Summarizing is the process of distilling the most important information from a text into a condensed version. It involves understanding the author's key points and expressing them in your own words, which helps improve comprehension and memory. In essence, when you summarize, you are explaining the core ideas of the text in a brief, concise manner. When you summarize main ideas, you are performing an essential part of the comprehension process. By rephrasing the text's main points in your own words, you are more likely to remember and understand the content. It also helps you connect different parts of the text, and it can assist in identifying gaps in your understanding. Essentially, summarizing aids in actively engaging with the text, rather than passively reading it. Let's dive into how you can summarize main ideas effectively. Here are some steps. 1. Read the text. You must fully read the text first. This will give you a general understanding of its content. 2. Identify the main ideas. Look for the author's main points. These are usually found in topic sentences of paragraphs or in section headings. 3. Take notes. Write down the main ideas in your own words. This step is crucial for processing and understanding the information. 4. Combine your notes. Once you have all the main ideas noted down, put them together into a coherent summary. 5. Review your summary. Read your summary. Does it accurately reflect the main ideas of the text? If it does, congratulations, you've summarized the text effectively. The best way to get better at summarizing is, quite simply, to practice. Start with shorter texts and gradually move on to longer, more complex ones. Remember, the goal is not to write a comprehensive retelling, but rather a brief, accurate account of the main ideas. And that's a wrap on summarizing main ideas, an invaluable tool for enhancing your reading comprehension skills. Remember, summarizing is not just about making the content shorter. It's about distilling the essence of the text and understanding its core ideas. Keep practicing, and you'll see your comprehension skills skyrocket. We hope this video has been helpful, and we look forward to helping you master more English reading strategies in future sessions. Happy reading and summarizing!